Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the most common handshake failures. Correct your PC clock, confirm the time zone, and force an internet time sync. Once done, enable TLS1. 2 in internet options so secure connections succeed. Make sure no proxy or VPN interferes, turn them off. Now right-click the media creation tool and choose Run as administrator. Doing these steps first prevents the server certificate and handshake error that causes 0x80072f8f, 0x20000. Next, fix lingering network state that can block the tool. Open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/flushtons and netchint IP reset to clear cached routing and name data. Then reset Win HTTP proxy with netch Win reset proxy so Windows services use direct connections. Restart bits and make sure cryptographic services are running because the tool validates certificates. If you have third-party antivirus or firewall software, temporarily disable it while you rerun the media creation tool. To finish, reboot so all resets and service changes take effect, then run the media creation tool one more time as administrator. If you still get 0x80072f8f, 0x20000, create a temporary local administrator account and retry from that profile to rule out user profile corruption. Make sure to re-enable your security software afterward. One key troubleshooting tip: double-check the system date, TLS1, 2 setting, and reinstall network adapter drivers if secure connections still fail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.